guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to speed up or slow down videos right here from your phone. Alright, so we are on our YouTube app and we have this video playing. So we're just going to play it out, and that's the regular speed. Now if I want to slow it down, up here on the top right hand side you guys will see those three dots. Just click right there, or tap right there I should say, and then go into playback speed, which is down here. Tap right there, and then you guys will see to slow down, it's on the top, and then the bottom would be to make it faster. So if I click on 2 times, which would be the fastest that it can go, I can just play this and it's gonna speed it up. It's gonna go really fast. So I'm gonna pause this for now. I'm gonna slow it down. All right, so playback speed, I'm gonna slow it down to the max that it can, so that would be 0.25 times, and there we go. So this is actually slow it down to the max that it can. Now obviously you guys can go anywhere in between, so if I go back up there, I can go, let's say 0.50, or I can speed it up but not all the way. I can speed it up maybe up to 1.5 and so on. So it depends what speed you guys want, and that's how you guys do it right here on your app on YouTube. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.